Top 5 Best Legos for Adults. Number 5. LEGO Creator Expert Ford Mustang 10265. Car enthusiasts and LEGO fans alike will appreciate the LEGO Creator Expert Ford Mustang 10265. This set is part of the Creator Expert series, known for its detailed and realistic recreations of iconic vehicles, making it an ideal choice for adult LEGO builders with a passion for automobiles. With 1,471 pieces, the Ford Mustang set captures the essence of the classic American muscle car. The attention to detail is evident in features such as the working steering, customizable license plates, and a detailed interior. The sleek design and iconic Mustang logo make this set a standout piece in any LEGO collection. The building process is engaging, and the end result is a display-worthy model that appeals to both LEGO enthusiasts and car aficionados. The Ford Mustang set is a testament to LEGO's commitment to delivering realistic and high-quality models, making it a top choice for adults who appreciate craftsmanship and automotive history in their LEGO sets. Coming in number 4, LEGO Ideas A-Frame Cabin 21338. For those who appreciate rustic charm and architectural beauty, the LEGO Ideas A-Frame Cabin 21338 is an excellent choice. This set is inspired by classic A-frame cabins and offers a refreshing departure from the more elaborate and fantasy-themed LEGO sets. With 3,036 pieces, the A-frame cabin captures the cozy and quaint feel of a mountain retreat. The set includes details such as a picnic table, outdoor seating, and a canoe, adding to the overall charm of the build. The attention to detail in the architecture, with the characteristic triangular shape of A-frame cabins, is commendable. This set is not only a pleasure to build but also makes for a relaxing and nostalgic display piece that brings the serenity of a cabin retreat into the home. It's a great option for adult LEGO enthusiasts seeking a more laid-back and aesthetically pleasing building experience. Coming in number 3, LEGO Ideas Vincent van Gogh The Starry Night. The LEGO Ideas theme allows fans to submit their own creations for consideration, and the Vincent van Gogh The Starry Night set is a testament to the creativity and artistry that LEGO enthusiasts can bring to the table. This set is a unique and artistic choice for adults who appreciate the intersection of LEGO and fine art. The set, inspired by Van Gogh's famous painting, The Starry Night, consists of 1,552 pieces. The build intricately captures the swirling night sky and the small village below, staying true to the essence of the original masterpiece. It comes with a display stand, allowing the completed creation to be showcased as a standalone piece of art. This LEGO Ideas set not only provides a satisfying building experience but also serves as a conversation starter and a beautiful display item that adds a touch of culture and art to any collection. Coming in number 2, LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Fans rejoice, as the LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit brings the iconic coffee shop from the hit TV show to life in brick form. This set is perfect for adult LEGO enthusiasts who have a fondness for nostalgia and pop culture. With 1,070 pieces, the set includes the Central Perk Cafe, complete with the signature orange couch, stage for Phoebe's performances, and minifigures of the main characters, Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, and Phoebe. The attention to detail in recreating the set from the show is impeccable, making it a delightful build for fans. Beyond the building experience, the completed Central Perk set makes for a fantastic display piece that pays homage to one of the most beloved sitcoms of all time. It's a great addition to any LEGO collection and a fun trip down memory lane for Friends enthusiasts. Coming in number 1, LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle 76419. The LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle 76419 is a remarkable set that captures the magic and grandeur of the iconic Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. With a whopping 6,020 pieces, this set provides an intricate and detailed building experience that is perfect for adults who are fans of the wizarding world. The set includes numerous iconic features such as the Great Hall, Dumbledore's office, the Room of Requirement, and the Astronomy Tower. The attention to detail extends to the inclusion of key characters, including Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley, and many others. The castle stands an impressive 22 inches tall when complete, making it a stunning display piece. The LEGO Hogwarts Castle is not just a building set, it's a journey through the magical world of Harry Potter, making it a must-have for adult LEGO enthusiasts and fans of the beloved book and film series.